Good morning, everyone. Dr. Shar here. Today we're talking about nervous system dysregulation. What does that mean? It basically means that your autonomic nervous system is stuck in fight or flight, and it is unable to transport some of the work to the rest and digest part of our autonomic nervous system. So today what we're going to do is we are going to do some standing exercises that are going to help regulate your nervous system. So when we're in a stressful situation, when we're in some sort of traumatic event, instead of feeling stuck in that sympathetic, we're going to move our body and move into the parasympathetic, which is that rest and digest. Okay, let's get started. The first exercise is shaking, and all we're doing is we're just shaking our body for 60 seconds. We're going to move some of that emotion that's stuck in our sympathetic and get our parasympathetics to kick in, that rest and digest. The second exercise is swing, just swinging from left to right to left. Again, just moving that emotion. Remember doing this as a child, how fun it used to feel, and we didn't realize it back then, but we were regulating our nervous system. The third one is jumping on the spot. Again, we used to do this as little kids, whether we were skipping or jumping in the playground, and this is a great way to regulate our nervous system and get those emotions moving again. I know I looked really silly. It felt really silly doing those exercises, but you're guaranteed to feel better after you do them. Do you remember as a kid, they used to say, shake those sillies out? That's exactly what we're doing. We're just going back to these innate childhood exercises that we used to do to help calm our bodies down. So let's welcome them back as adults and get our bodies regulated again. Stay tuned for part 2 when I do some seated nervous system regulation exercises.